In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a VPN on Netflix. So let's get started right away. In order to use a VPN, you will first need to install a VPN application. Open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and then tap on the search box and then search for Turbo VPN. This is a free VPN service that you can use if you don't wish to pay for any premium VPN service. Tap on the application when you find it and then tap on the install button. This will then begin the download and installation of the Turbo VPN application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the app. Then tap on agree and continue, and once the application is opened, you can tap on the caret icon which will start up your VPN. Now when you tap on the button, the fastest server is searched and then automatically connected to. However, if you wish to change your region, you can tap on the icon that you see at the right side and you will be able to choose from various different countries in order to choose the region within which you want to access the Netflix server. Once you are connected to your desired server, you can simply log into your Netflix account and you will be able to watch the shows from that region. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use a VPN service on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.